extensive grounds and private setting on 1.5 acres on Lake Chatuge. Long-range lake and mountain views on deep water. Vaulted ceilings with exposed beams. Open floor plan. Updated kitchen with granite countertops. White cabinets. Breakfast bar and banquette seating. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on main floor. More beds and baths upstairs and down. Brick construction for low maintenance. Asian walnut hardwood floors. Decks, patios, sunroom, bonus room and a full finished daylight basement. Driveway goes all the way to lake with a large area for entertaining. Huge floating dock with jet ski ramp. 2 separate bungalows that could be used as guest cottages or rentals. Full basement and upper floor each have a separate entrance, kitchen, bath and laundry. One or both could be used for rental income. The property has extensive landscaping and terraces that contain mature trees and a beautiful arrangement.